To fix the issue, you have to uninstall this update and then restart your computer. Now to uninstall the update, you can go to Windows Update. So go to Windows Settings and then go to Windows Update and then go to Update History and then click on Uninstall Updates over here. And here you can see KB5065789. In front of it, click on Install. Click on Uninstall actually. And then uninstalling Windows Update may put your PC at risk. So if you agree, click on Uninstall. And let the uninstall complete. This process may take some time. Now, after the uninstall is complete, restart your computer. So click on Restart now. Make sure that you restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can go to Windows Update and then you can turn off this option which says get the latest update as soon as they are available. Turn it off. And then you can pause the update for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. You can select the period which you want. And then this will stop the automatic update of that particular update. And in future, whenever you want to install future update, you can always click on Resume Updates, and which will help you to install future update. So that should help you to get the printer issue fixed. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.